Well, good morning, everybody. This is July 22nd, 2012. This is Sunday. Hope everybody's having a great weekend so far. If you've been following my blog or website, you know I focus on short-term, low-risk, high-return stock market trading. So I just want to talk a little bit about this last month and what I've done and how it's something that you could probably do yourself. First of all, I want to talk a little bit about the extensive tools that I use to do these types of trades. First of all, it is online marketing, so you're going to need an internet connection with a computer. So here's the computer I use. It's a Toshiba, it's a laptop. Then the other piece of equipment that I use on a regular basis is a simple calculator. That's all I use to make the type of gains that I'm going to talk to you about. My best trade last week, I made over 228% return. I think on that trade, well, let me get the figures on this so that I don't mislead you on that. I did a trade where I bought 2 calls for 36 cents each on the 17th, which is Tuesday. And on the 18th, I turned around and sold those 2 calls for $1.53 each, for a total of $299.68. My total cost was $78.30. So I made $221.38 profit in 2 days, and that's over 282% return. That's not a bad rate of return. If you're doing that already, or doing close to that, keep doing it. But if you want to learn how to do these types of things, you might take a look at my blog and my website. Both of those will be listed at the end of the message here, at the end of the video on a chart. I'll have both of them listed so you don't have to worry about copying it down right now. But last month, in a period of, what was June 21st through July 18th, I did a total of 9 trades. I lost on 1 trade, and I had a net profit for that period of time of over 55% return on my money. The most I spent, and again, let me grab my cheat sheet here. The most I risked on any single trade was $271.63. And the least money I put out on a single trade was $78.30. So we're not talking huge amounts of money. This is fairly low risk, and you can see the potential is phenomenal on this. I only used 6 stocks on those trades also. And they're not fly-by-night stocks, really risky stocks. Let me tell you the 6 stocks that I did use. I used GMCR, which was Green Mountain Coffee Roasters. I actually traded them 3 times. I used CREE, the ticker symbol is CREE. Used them twice. And then the rest of the stocks I used once, 1 trade each. One was Walgreens, another was Starbucks, another was Juniper, and the other was Caterpillar. So you can see by this that these are quality stocks that you can trade for low cost and still make some pretty good returns on your investment. Now, I just wrote it's a 3-page report that you can go to Amazon.com. This is brand new. I've got 2 other books on there. This one shows that 6 trades that I did in the month of June where I actually made profit, and it tells the elements of successful trades for those. Those trades are so simple to make, and the elements are so simple to learn that anybody should be able to do this. The cost is pretty small. You can download it immediately. It's like $2.99. Also, if you go into Amazon.com, you can see, type in my name, Hugh McDowell. You can see that I've written 2 other books. I want to explain a little bit about the books. The first one is how to play the stock market for fun and profit. That's the larger one, and it actually has 10 years of experience that talks about 5 different strategies that you can use to make money in the market. And although I play for short-term gains, I don't like tying my money up in this market for any length of time. There are also long-term strategies that you can adapt from that manual. That's the most comprehensive, and that really gives you my philosophy and strategy and how to make money like this. And that's a compilation of 10 years worth of experience. That one sells for the huge amount of $8.97. The second one that I wrote was calls and put options, how to make fast money online. And that takes one of the strategies from that first book, which is basically selling call and put options. And it gives you a series of trades and explains how I made those trades, why, or what determined that. That's one specific strategy that I've used that I show you has both successful and non-successful trades, but it shows you how you'll be able to do the same types of trades with this. And that one is $4.97. And the last one is winning option trading in today's market, $2.99, like I mentioned before. So we're not talking a huge amount of investment to actually take a look and see if it's something you think you might be capable of doing. I've had a lot of fun with it. It's an exciting time to be in the market in spite of what you might hear. So if you're interested, take a look. I might be running a contest a little later for people that have bought one of the books. Kind of match wits with me. My blog is beatthemarketwithhugh.wordpress.com. And it's just, why don't you kind of dip your toe in the water, see if it's something you think that you might be able to do. I think you can. The strategies are simple to learn and very easy to execute. Anyhow, that's it for now. I'll talk with you later. Have a great day and happy trading.